Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vasudev. In this tutorial series, we're going to understand and learn Dart and Flutter. We're going to start with introduction to Dart. So what is Dart programming language? Features of Dart programming language, installation of Dart SDK in Android Studio. Then we are going to understand the basic syntax of Dart programming language and write my first Dart program, Hello World, and print Hello World inside the terminal or the console. Then we are going to understand the data types in Dart programming language such as number, integer, double, string, boolean, list, map, and dynamic. Later, we are going to understand variables and keywords that are used in Dart programming language. So we are going to create a variable in Dart using var keyword. We are going to create a variable in Dart using string keyword. We are going to create a variable in Dart using int keyword, using dynamic keyword, using final keyword. And lastly, we are going to understand the difference between dynamic, final, and constant keywords. We are also going to learn about control flow statements in Dart, what is control flow statements in Dart, types of control flow statements, and decision making statements. Also, very important topic in Dart or any programming language, which is collections. So we're going to learn about collections in Dart programming language, types of collections in Dart, list, set, map, hash map, linked list, linked hash map, and also linked hash set. Furthermore, we are going to understand the concepts of synchronous and asynchronous programming in Dart. So what is synchronous programming in Dart? What is asynchronous programming in Dart? We are going to understand and learn asynchronous programming with future keyword, also execute asynchronous programming with async keyword and also await keyword. We are also going to understand the difference between synchronous and asynchronous. Also, we are going to learn about advantages and disadvantages of synchronous and asynchronous programming in Dart. Furthermore, we are going to get into Flutter. So what is Flutter and why? We are going to create your first Flutter project, understand Flutter architecture and how it actually works. Then we are going to get into Flutter UI designing, working with colors, fonts, and styles. We are also going to work with text, images, buttons, and more. Also, we are going to work with material design such as app bar, tab bar, drawer, and bottom navigation. We are going to understand a very important concept of stateless and stateful widgets inside Dart. Also design complex UI layouts using row, column, and stack in Dart and Flutter. Designing scrollable layouts. We're also going to design scrollable layouts such as list view, grid view, single child scroll view inside Dart. We are going to understand about navigation and dynamic routing as well. Furthermore, we are going to pass data between different pages in Flutter. We are going to understand the basic concepts of REST, API fundamentals, and then we are going to learn to read, write, update, delete using REST API inside a Flutter mobile application. We are also going to implement Firebase with Flutter, and then we are going to learn Firebase authentication in Flutter and much more. So guys, thank you for the session. In the next session, I'm going to take you through introduction to Dart. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much.